Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Chinwe Juliet, and today I'll be taking you through how to make your pre-poo treatment go from 0 to 100. Pre-poo is short for pre-shampoo, in case you're unfamiliar with the term. And the most important reason why a pre-poo treatment is useful in your healthy, natural 4C hair regimen is that it helps prevent high growth fatigue. I'm going to be sharing more details about the importance and benefits of a pre-poo treatment to your natural hair routine later on in the video, so make sure you stick to the end. So what you need for this pre-poo treatment is an applicator bottle or any bottle of your choice. You also need a measuring cup. Following that, you also need extra virgin olive oil. In this case, what I have is pumice olive oil, but that also works. And then I'll be using my Jamaican black castor oil by Sunny Isle. You can use any brand that works for you as well. So I will also be adding my special blend of Ayurvedic herbs. This right here is the winner. It's a mix of aloe vera powder, hibiscus, amla, henna, Brahmi, Neem powder, Shikaikai. It's a whole lot. So it is packed with nutrition. It's packed with so many benefits, of which include adding strength and nourishment to the scalp. They help prevent hair loss. For instance, Brahmi helps the proteins in the hair shaft to produce stronger and thicker hair. Amla powder is great for reducing dandruff, treating head lice. It helps boost volume. It conditions your scalp. Aloe vera powder is also great for soothing irritated scalp. It helps to stimulate hair growth. It conditions the hair as well. And just so much more with all these Ayurvedic herbs. So if you have some of the herbs, please use them. You don't have to get everything that I mixed up together. You don't. Just use the ones that you have. I'm an advocate of using whatever you have available without having to purchase more. So everything is listed in the description box as I said earlier. And yes, let's move on to how to mix it. So the first thing I do is put the powder mix into my applicator bottle. You can use any way you choose to put it in the bottle. It was easier for me here to simply just put it on a piece of paper, fold it up, and directly put it in the bottle without having any spillage. As you can see, it all entered very nicely. And then I am going to begin to pour my olive oil. I pretty much eyeballed it, to be honest, but about a cup of extra virgin olive oil, depending on your hair length. For me, about a cup was enough. So I'm also going ahead to add my Jamaican black castor oil. This one is about half a cup because it's really thick, and because of my 4C hair texture, my hair does like thick oils, so I tend to pick thicker oils like extra virgin and castor oil. If you have fine hair or low porosity hair, then I do suggest you go for lighter oils like almond oil and argan oil. Next, you put your lid on and shake. Literally shake as much as you can to make sure that your Ayurvedic herbs get infused and get mixed in properly with your oil. So the best way to actually make this pre-shampoo treatment, or otherwise known as pre-poo treatment, is to leave it to sit overnight, because you really want these Ayurvedic herbs to penetrate into the oils and just infuse properly, so that way when you're using on your hair the next day, you will have all the benefits and not the herbs sitting separately and not the oil sitting separately in your hair. You'll have everything together being absorbed and nourishing your hair at the same time. So now that you've learned how to make it, let me show you how to use it. So the first thing you need is your spray bottle. Fill it up with water or aloe vera juice. Any one that you have will do. Next, mist your hair. Don't saturate it or drench it with water. Just lightly mist your hair, just enough to have that moisturized feeling. And once you have that, you can then apply your pre-poo treatment. And I will always suggest that you apply your pre-poo treatment in sections. This is because this helps you get the hair strands that wouldn't otherwise be reached if you completely just applied it without sectioning your hair. If your hair still feels dry after misting, you can always go back to mist as many times as you want, just to make sure that when you apply your pre-poo treatment, it absorbs into your hair. While massaging the pre-poo oil into my hair, what I do is I lightly finger detangle, not thoroughly, just lightly finger detangle. And then once I'm satisfied with that section, I twist it up. Okay, I'm going to show you again what it looks like on the back section of my hair. And as you can see, I'm already wearing a shower cap to prevent any moisture loss from the other side of my hair that I've already done. This is entirely optional. You can do this right after you're completely done with all the sections, or you can start doing it before you're done with your whole hair. So it's really depends on you, but I just chose to do it on that day because I wanted to make sure that it began to absorb as quickly as I wanted it to. Then with this section, I left it on real time so you would see realistically how long it took me for this section. It's the same routine, just lightly mist your hair from the roots to the ends. Make sure that it begins to feel moisturized, and then you go in with your pre-poo treatment and gently massage it through your strands, through the length of your hair, from root to tips. You keep doing it until you feel that your hair is adequately coated with your pre-poo treatment. So a part that I didn't show earlier was the massage. I gently massage my scalp with this pre-poo oil treatment, and it just feels so good. So I recommend that you do the same if you can. And once you just feel satisfied and your hair looks shiny, it looks great, it feels soft, you leave it in for about 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Or if your hair is very, very dry, I suggest that you leave this 4C hair pre-poo treatment overnight. Then another thing to note is please make sure that you cover your hair with a shower cap. If you're leaving it overnight, make sure that you cover that shower cap with your satin scarf so it doesn't stain your pillow. And yeah, once you are done, your hair will feel so soft and shiny. Now, in case you didn't know, high-growth fatigue is a kind of hair damage that affects your hair shaft. This is usually due to the expanding and contracting of your hair when it's wet and when it dries. And using a pre-shampoo treatment prevents this damage. This is what my 4C hair looks like after I'm done, as you can see. And yes, as I said, it is very soft and shiny. So next, all you need to do is to shampoo and deep condition. Alright, lovelies, thank you all so much for watching till the end. I appreciate you all. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget that all the products and everything I used in this video are written in the description box, and that you can also get my books, which are available on my website IgboCurls.com, to help you better on your healthy hair journey. So alright lovelies, don't forget to live well, live great, and pray always. God loves you and God bless you. Take care now.